Well, here is top 5 electric moment. Number 1. Go with shock. Number 2. Gorilla with the electric pole. This gorilla thinks it's a playing pole, but unfortunately he pays with his life. Number 3. Cute dog. This cute dog tried to curse within an electric wire. Number 4. The surprise. On the top of the tree there is a surprise for her. Number 5. Monkey. This poor monkey touches more than one wire and hanging with it. This man came to rescue, but it's too late. Thanks for your time. Subscribe for more.